Welcome back, health enthusiasts. Today we're delving into the incredible world of Clove, the ultimate health booster. Get ready to uncover the secrets behind this powerhouse spice that has been revered for centuries for its medicinal properties. So, what exactly is clove? Well, it's derived from the flower buds of the clove tree, scientifically known as Syzygium aromaticum. This aromatic spice is not only a staple in culinary traditions around the globe, but also boasts an impressive array of health benefits. Let's start with its potent antioxidant properties. Cloves are packed with compounds like eugenol, which help combat oxidative stress in the body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting overall well-being. Studies have shown that incorporating cloves into your diet can help lower inflammation levels, improve blood circulation, and even support heart health. Plus, their antimicrobial properties make them a natural remedy for oral health issues like toothaches and bad breath. But wait, there's more. Cloves are also known for their digestive benefits. Whether you're dealing with bloating, gas, or indigestion, a cup of clove tea after meals can work wonders for your digestive system, helping to soothe discomfort and promote healthy digestion. And let's not forget about their immune-boosting properties. Cloves are rich in vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese, all of which play crucial roles in supporting a strong and resilient immune system. From savory dishes to sweet treats, there are countless ways to incorporate cloves into your culinary creations. Whether you're sprinkling ground cloves into your morning oatmeal or adding whole cloves to a simmering pot of soup, the possibilities are endless. So the next time you're looking to spice up your health routine, don't forget about the mighty clove. With its incredible array of health benefits and versatile uses, it's truly a superstar ingredient that deserves a place in every kitchen. Cheers to your health and vitality. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.